So stand with the arms out like this. Your elbows are bent, pointing down. Your palms are pointing forward. And from here, let's bring them back. So you bring the whole arm back, then down, then up, then front. Back, down, up, front. 3, down, up, front. 4, down, up, front. 5, down, up, front. 6, down, up, front. 7, down, up, front. 8, down, up, front. 9, down, up, front, and 10, down, up, and front. Let's do these twists where we're going from side to side with the arm fully extended. So 1 and 2 and 3 and okay, so we'll the hand will go on the elbow, and then you'll pull it in as if you're reaching for a zipper here. 1, 2, 3, and then release. And then engage, 2, 3, and then you release. And then engage, 2, 3, and release. And then engage, 2, 3, and release. And engage, 2, 3, and release. Now let's switch hands and do it with the other one. So your right hand's on the left elbow. So engage, 2, 3, and release. And engage, 2, 3, and release. And engage, 2, 3, and release. And then engage, 2, 3, and release. And then engage, 2, 3, and release. Right side, 1, 2, 3, release and switch it. Left side, 1, 2, 3, and switch it. And right side, 1, 2, 3, and switch it. And left side, and 1, 2, 3, and switch it. And right side, 1, 2, 3, and switch it. And left side, 1, 2, 3, and switch it. And last time right, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll switch it to the last time left. 1, 2, 3.